Right guys, we have dropped the Range Rover SVR to Halfords to get the dash cam fitted. It has been a long time coming because there are a few last little bits that I need to get done, which I haven't really got round to because I've been working on the Bentley for so long. But we are almost there to complete both rebuilds. I cannot believe I've got to this point in such a short amount of time, in all honesty. But it's been a lot of hard work. It has taken a lot of energy out of me, but that is the whole point of this channel. We have to put ourselves through challenges and overcome them, and that's what I love doing. So I am going to kill some time whilst I'm waiting for this dash cam to get fitted. So let's go and get some food. We have got the dash cam fitted. It is all coming together now. Now we only have a few more bits. That is the front camera on the front of the bumper. And then after that, maybe a few little touch-ups and yeah, we're pretty much good to go. So I'll show you around. The wiring at the back had to be done that way. Reason being, the clips that were holding the plastic bit on the underside of the boot, it was hard to get off. So they've rerouted it through the top of the roof liner and fed it through. Now, I can potentially adjust it later on, but for now it does the job and it's not in the way too much. So I am more than pleased with the dash cam. Anyway, let's go back, let's see how the Bentley's doing and we'll get on. Let's get back to base and let's figure out what we are going to be doing next, because there are a few things that I need to get done today, along with going down to London, which I am going to be taking this along with me. Also, a massive shout out to the guys at Halfords who helped me out because they have sorted out this trim on the A-pillar. Basically, the people who fitted the window left it sticking out and it was really annoying me because it wasn't flush. But the guys at Halfords have sorted it out along with the dash cam and I am over the moon. One thing though, I do need to fill her up. I've got 4 miles left in the tank. Typical. 2 cars, 2 petrol stops today. Let's go. I'm not even gonna look. That's how bad it's getting. Petrol station every other day. Just gonna keep filling. I've just driven 1.5 hours away to pick up the smallest part for the Bentley Continental. You wouldn't believe it. What absolute top guys these are at Flying Spares. I mean, I couldn't ask for any more better. I've walked out of there with a smile on my face. The customer service is unreal, like looked after me, and they were supportive of the channel as well. So I have to shout out to Flying Spares because you've made me feel welcome. I appreciate it. And I'll show you the bit as soon as I get into the car. I drove all the way up 1.5 hours to Leicester to get this part. Don't know if you know what it is. And if you got it right, yes, we have a chrome little piece for our door handle. No wonder they say Bentley is an expensive car to run, because this little part set me back £30. But it is well worth it because at the end of the day, this car needs everything properly done. So we've got the part now. We have another part that we need to pick up in Leicester, and this is for the Range Rover SVR. We have just made it to Sky Tints, and honestly, I cannot explain how good the car looks. I've seen it in the window. We are about to walk in right now, and just you wait, because this car looks unreal. I'd like to know from you guys, let me know in the comment section down below, which car looks better, the Range Rover SVR or the Bentley Continental GT. How you doing? You okay? Wow. Honestly, I can't get the smile off my face. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. If you've seen that, you'd be like, who is in that car? Honestly, guys, I cannot even explain how excited I am. I'm just lost for words. I can't even comprehend, I can't even think of anything to say other than wow. Wow, wow, wow. This car is looking so good. It is crazy. And I genuinely, I don't know which car I prefer better, the Bentley or the Range Rover SVR. I can't even talk. That is how taken back I am. And I know these guys, they are perfectionists. They want to get everything done, completed, washed down, looking pristine. But for me, even at this stage, it is unreal. People will be seeing me driving this car and they will think there is someone driving of some sort of importance, which I don't have. But even saying, I can't even explain to you. And a massive shout out to you guys, because without you guys watching the videos, I wouldn't be doing this. So I want to shout out everyone who's supporting the channel and watching the videos, because if you get some sort of entertainment from these videos or you get any information that you can use yourself, that is enough for me, because I feel like I'm doing a service and I get enjoyment doing these videos, and I hope you guys enjoy the videos as well. I know I'm not the best at making these videos as I'm only new, but hopefully as the journey goes on, we can get better and we can implement bigger and better stuff. I've had to order 2 more meters, reason being I wasted a lot of material trying to do it myself, and I can't even explain how hard it is to do wrapping. Wrapping is an art. These guys, they have saved the day. I tried to do it myself, failed. There's nothing wrong with trying, but I'm so thankful I got put into contact with these guys, because the work they do is 10 out of 10, a million out of a million. They do the best job. And if you are in the Birmingham area or the surrounding areas, I will highly recommend to use Sky Tints. I will leave all their contact details in the description down below, so go and check them out, because them guys deserve all the business they get. And I want to thank you again, because without you, this wouldn't have been even close to happening, because getting the body parts on was hard enough, and now we have the wrap on. It is just looking so mean, looking like the Batmobile. It is crazy, 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 crazy. I cannot wait to be driving it on the road. So let's head back, let's rest up for today, because we have achieved a lot today. And the thing is, without you guys, I wouldn't have been able to get even to this point. And I just want to prove to you that you don't even have to have a full structured plan. That's why I've named the channel Master No Plan, because I just go into things with no plan. I take things day by day and try and make them work. Problem solving, enthusiasm, and work ethic. If you've got those 3, you can achieve anything, and it is starting to show now. We are almost there. The Bentley is almost done. The Range Rover SVR is almost done, and we can take these on some road trips. Now that I've seen the Bentley all wrapped, I want to know from you guys, should I wrap the SVR in the same satin black wet look? Because it looks unbelievable on the Bentley, but I don't know if it would look as good on the SVR. Or should I leave it white? I don't know. I'm in 2 minds. I need you guys to help me on this one, because I need to know a direction I'm gonna go in. So guys, today I have had the phone call to say the Bentley Continental is ready. It is completely wrapped and it is looking like the Batmobile. I cannot wait. All this time and all this effort I've put in to make this car look like something from a picture in my head, and now today is the day it has come all to fruition. I've booked a taxi. We are going to head over to Sky Tints now, and we are going to see the final result. I honestly cannot wait. This should be good. Now, I've bought a couple of things to add on to the Bentley Continental. These little things are the small little touches that will make the car, and you'll be excited to see what they are. And I'll show you at the end of the video. lost for words. Absolutely lost for words. Just from the outside, it is looking unbelievable. Have a look. We have gone for a satin black wet edition look, and it is looking like the Batmobile. And not only that, we have done a few little small details that makes the car look unbelievable. We have gone gloss black on the wing mirrors, around the trims, even the trim on the door handle. And I have to say, those little touches make the car look unreal. And at the rear of the car, we have even gone for a tinted tail light. Honestly guys, this looks crazy. It is, I'm lost for words. I genuinely love the car. Now with the tinted windows as well, with the satin black wet look, it is looking like something out of a movie. And I cannot wait to drive this car. And to finish it off, we have blacked out the grille, leaving the badge in the classic silver chrome. Honestly, look at this. And now we are doing the final touches on the car. And let me show you, from what I mentioned earlier, we are putting on the center caps. So I just want to say a massive shout out to the guys at Sky Tints. A massive thank you, because without them, this wouldn't have happened. Now, I'll leave all their contact details in the description box down below, so go and check them out. They deserve every single penny and business they get, because just look at it. Honestly, look at that. That is, with the light as well, I'm just lost for words. I genuinely lost for words. I can't get this smile off my face. Anyway, let's get this Bentley back along with Robin. This is sick. So guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below and let me know anything you'd like to see from this channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I'm Batman.